In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Google Ads Performance Max campaign data. To make this simple, we'll work inside the standard Google Ads interface and use the built-in report editor so you can view a clean, reliable snapshot of your Performance Max results. Start on your Google Ads home screen. On the left bar, click Campaigns. This opens the main campaign workspace, where all your campaigns live in one place. Think of it as your control room. From here, you can quickly move into deeper analysis without losing context. Next, look to the left pane that appears and expand the section labeled Insights and Reports. This area groups Google's analytical tools together, including predefined visualizations and custom reporting options. Expanding it ensures you can reach the reporting tools designed for performance analysis rather than day-to-day edits. Now, select Report Editor. The Report Editor is where you can assemble and view data in a flexible table or chart. We'll keep it straightforward and rely on one of the standard views so you don't have to build anything from scratch. It loads your account's data model and waits for you to tell it what you want to inspect. At the top, use the drop-down to choose the Performance Max campaign you want to examine. Picking the right campaign here focuses every metric and row in the report on that specific Performance Max effort. If your naming conventions are clear, this step is quick. Just select the exact campaign title you're analyzing. Remember, the report will reflect whatever campaign you choose in this drop-down. With the campaign selected, choose Campaign Performance. This tells the editor to display the standard performance report for that selected campaign. In a moment, you'll see a table with familiar metrics like impressions, clicks, cost, conversions, conversion value, and often return on ad spend. This view respects your current account settings, including the active date range, so the numbers align with what you see elsewhere in Google Ads. Use this table to spot trends, compare days or weeks, and confirm that your Performance Max campaign is driving the outcomes you expect. And there you go. You clicked Campaigns, opened Insights and Reports, entered the Report Editor, selected your Performance Max campaign from the drop-down, and loaded Campaign Performance to view the data. That's all you need to quickly access a clear, dependable snapshot of your Performance Max results.